All this week, we've been out of the kitchen highlighting the wild, wild West. It's hard to talk about the Old West without mentioning the gold rush. And although there was a gold rush in Georgia and the Carolinas, nothing was bigger than the 1848 California gold rush, where more than 300,000 cowboys, pioneers, and settlers headed west in hopes of getting rich. Although shiny gold nuggets were panned from rivers and mined from the hills of California, there was yet another golden nugget that was treasured. The Indians knew it as maize, but the cowboys called it corn. And with this popularity came corn cakes, corn bread, and even hot from the oven corn bakes. So with that in mind, let me share with you an updated throw-together corn bake that is just as welcome on the dinner table now as it was back then. It's creamy, studded with corn, and the cornbread topping is to die for. The recipe for what we call Gold Rush Corn Bake is online now and ready for you to print out so you can have it as soon as tonight. One bite is all it'll take for you to discover just how good it is. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a golden nugget way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.